Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best psyllium husk is probably one of the most essential supplements for maintaining digestive regularity and overall gut health, offering a convenient and effective way to increase your daily fiber intake without the hassle, making it a cornerstone for anyone looking to support a healthy lifestyle and achieve optimal well-being through natural means. Number 5. Now Foods Psyllium Husk Caps 500 mg. Discover a simple way to support your digestive wellness. These offer a convenient solution for your daily fiber needs. Each capsule provides natural soluble fiber, essential for a healthy diet. It gently aids in maintaining regularity and overall gut comfort. Promote optimal intestinal health with this trusted supplement. It works to keep your digestive system functioning smoothly every day. You can trust the quality of this product. It is non-GMO project verified, ensuring a pure and natural supplement choice. Each bottle contains 200 easy-to-swallow veg capsules. This provides a generous supply for consistent daily use. What we like? This product offers a straightforward, non-GMO formula in convenient vegetarian capsules. It's designed for simple, consistent intestinal health support. If you are looking for a clean, reliable, and easy-to-take daily fiber supplement, you should consider this. What people say. Number 4. Dr. Tobias Psyllium Daily. Maintaining regularity is crucial for overall well-being. This supplement is designed to gently support your digestive system, helping you feel more comfortable and balanced every day. At its core, this product harnesses the power of psyllium husk, a well-known source of dietary fiber. It works naturally to aid digestion and promote a healthy gut. Beyond psyllium, it's fortified with bentonite clay, flaxseed, and other natural ingredients. This thoughtful combination provides comprehensive support for your digestive health. Consider this your daily dose of essential fiber, vital for maintaining a healthy colon. Regular intake can contribute significantly to your long-term digestive wellness. Each bottle contains 180 easy-to-take capsules, providing a generous supply for consistent daily use. Incorporating it into your routine is simple and hassle-free. This supplement offers a holistic approach to your digestive needs. It's formulated to support both regularity and the long-term health of your colon, helping you feel your best. What we like? This supplement stands out with its unique blend of psyllium husk, bentonite clay, and flaxseed. It's specifically formulated to support healthy bowel movements and colon health. If you are seeking a comprehensive, multi-ingredient approach to digestive wellness, you should consider this. What people say. Number 3. Clean Nutraceuticals Gut Health Supplement. Experience comprehensive support for your digestive system. This powerful blend is designed to promote a healthy gut environment. Featuring slippery elm and marshmallow root, it helps to calm and protect your gut lining. These natural ingredients are known for their soothing properties. With psyllium husk, it aids in maintaining healthy bowel movements. This essential fiber supports digestive regularity and comfort. It includes a blend of prebiotics and probiotics to nourish beneficial gut bacteria. This helps to foster a balanced and thriving microbiome. Ingredients like aloe vera, cascara sagrada, and senna extract provide gentle cleansing. They work synergistically to support your body's natural detoxification processes. What we like? This product goes beyond basic fiber, featuring an extensive blend of herbs like slippery elm, aloe vera, and probiotics. It's crafted for holistic digestive and gut health. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for advanced gut support, you should consider this. What people say. Number 2. Metabolic Maintenance Organic Psyllium Husk Powder. Discover our premium organic psyllium husk powder. It's a natural way to support your daily wellness routine. Each serving provides 3 grams of organic soluble fiber. This essential nutrient is crucial for a healthy diet. This supplement is designed to support healthy digestion. It helps promote bowel regularity for your comfort. Sourced from non-GMO plants, this is a pure and natural fiber. You can trust its quality and origin. Each container offers an impressive 150 servings. This ensures long-lasting support for your digestive health. What we like? This is an organic psyllium husk in powder form, providing a generous 150 servings for long-term use. It's excellent for promoting digestive and bowel regularity. If you prefer a versatile, organic powder for daily fiber intake and value, you should consider this. What people say. Number 1. Viva Naturals Organic Psyllium Husk Powder, 24 ounces. Discover the natural power of this organic psyllium husk powder. It's a finely ground superfood designed to support your wellness journey. This powder is finely ground for easy mixing into your favorite drinks and recipes. Being unflavored, it won't alter the taste of your delicious creations. It's a versatile plant-based superfood that fits seamlessly into many lifestyles. Whether you're vegan, keto, paleo, or simply seeking non-GMO options, it's an excellent choice. This product is a good source of dietary fiber, essential for digestive health. Incorporating it into your diet can help you meet your daily fiber needs. Easily add it to your gluten-free baking for improved texture and fiber content. It also blends perfectly into your morning juices and smoothies for an added nutritional boost. What we like. This finely ground, unflavored organic psyllium husk powder is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for blending into juices, smoothies, or gluten-free baking. If you follow specific diets like keto or paleo and need a superfood fiber for culinary use, you should consider this. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be selected as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.